What's up, guys? Outdoor Flying here, and I know we're in the middle of the bunker series, but my cousin Gavin's Cove, we're out here. We're just gonna do a little cookout. So as you can see, this place is super messy, so we gotta clean it up. So yeah, let's go time lapse. Alrighty, so we cleaned up the grass around it. We're still gonna do a little bit of cleaning with the grass, but now I'm gonna set the fire real quick. So yeah, let me just put the GoPro on my head and then we'll start the fire. Alright, so now we're gonna make the fire. I'm gonna go get the pan. Alright, so we gotta get some newspaper. Let's go. And then let's just that's what I'm doing. We just gotta put some newspaper. I'm making the fire. Just cut these in half. I'm gonna blow. We gotta make this a ball. I'm just gonna use these little sticks to.
How are you gonna make it?
So I break the sticks apart, and then what I'm gonna try and do is make a triangle like that. And get some of these smaller ones. We have a lighter. Well, I mean, we might use flint and steel. So, yeah. It's in the backpack. Alrighty, so we're gonna get some more of these really thin, small ones. Yeah. Just gonna put some of these here. Put it that. I'm gonna actually keep this in case it dies down so we can support it. Put a few more in there. Alrighty. Yeah, that makes a spark. So now we have to get some bigger sticks to put on, like these type of sticks to put on for when the fire starts. Alright, so we have the fire set up. We have eggs. We got ramen. So yeah, let's get the ramen ready. And yeah. So yeah, we're getting the spices out right now, and yeah, let's light the fire. Alright, guys. So we're about to light it. You ready? First light of 2020. Let's do this. Alright, guys. First fire 2020. Let's go. Yep, let's go. Watch the lighter die. That was very underwhelming. I am not gonna count with you. Take two. Has been lighted. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go. Bro, we should bring your speaker out here later. All right, so we have this thing on. This is what we're gonna cook with. We have a few flames, but we're just gonna be using the coals and these big logs that are burning. We're getting the ramen cooker out.
Yes, sir.
And oh, I'm gonna start the onions. Or I'm gonna just roast the things. All right, sausages.
Alrighty.
All right, yeah. So time lapse. Alright guys, so the onions are looking really nice. These are almost done.
I'm gonna put the ramen.
And so yeah, I'm gonna put them in here, and then we're just gonna get everything else set up. So yeah. Alright, so we're almost done with the ramen. We got the onions done. They're looking very nice. Super caramelized. I put them in this can for now. And we're doing the sausages right now. I'm just gonna fry this in the onion juice, and yeah. So, yeah, time lapse. Okay, so the mushrooms are cooking right now. We're gonna stir fry the ramen noodles. We have those right here in a bowl. And then with the mushrooms, ramen noodles, and we're just gonna put in the like half of the onions last so they don't burn. And then we're gonna have the stir fry, then we'll do the eggs, and then finally we'll do the garlic bread. So yeah. Okay, so the ramen is in for the stir fry. The mushrooms are at the bottom. We're just gonna put half of the onions in like, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes, and then yeah, we'll be done with the stir fry. Alrighty, it's not really this dark. The camera just isn't picking it up. So here's the final stir fry. Looks pretty nice. We got the onions in there, the mushrooms, and the noodles. We have the sausage right here. It's beautiful. And then we're starting on the eggs now, and then we have some garlic here for the garlic bread. So yeah, we're gonna start that right now. Okay, so we're gonna put the eggs in here. So I'm gonna crack them in real quick. Okay, so we gotta scramble these eggs up. And we'll just get them ready. I'm gonna put I'm actually gonna put 2 sausages in here to get that smoky flavor for the eggs. Okay, now the sausages are in. Now I'm just gonna add a bit of cheese. We have it in this container. Just a bit on the top, and then mix that in. Mix all that together. The cheese, the sausage, and the egg. And that is ready to go on the fire. There we go, and I'll get back to you guys once it's done. Okay, so the eggs are just about done. I put the rest of the cheese in. I'm just mixing that all together. This is like a minute or like 2 minutes maybe, and it's all done. So I'm just gonna put this back on the fire, and yeah. All right, you guys can talk to me because I'm gonna put music on it.
Oh yeah, she like the way I move.
Watch me just not put music on it.
Dude, why do you need music when you have me?
That's true.
So I put my hands up, Love finds my way.
Main thing
It's a
that
party in the USA.
sing better than that.
Party of the USA.
Damn, that was a real insult. The main insult. Okay, so this is the final product. We don't have the garlic bread yet, but I'll do that later, and I'll film that too. So, yeah, this is what the 2 plates look like. Yeah, looks pretty nice. Okay, so we're just by the fire now. My GoPro's about to die, so I'm gonna try and save power so I can still make a video of the garlic bread. Honestly, I don't even know if we're gonna make it because we're super stuffed, but we're gonna be out here for a long time. So yeah, I might do it. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I make it. If I don't, then I guess this is the end of the video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you like this video or like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I finally